Cool. But since we didn't have any responsible adults, Mr. Raymond out here. Okay. So anyway, it's true. Hey, what we're going to do, it's going to be really, really quick, and if you want to record this, you may. We're going to try to make this rocket car go out in the hallway. So all I really want you to do when I ask you to is go in the hallway and stand over by the bathrooms. Don't go in the bathroom. Just stand by the bathroom. If you want to record it, you may. What should happen is we should put our propellant inside this container. Mr. Raymond, our fire marshal today, is going to take the lighter, touch it near the end of this cap here, and what should happen is the gas should expand inside, push back this way, and of course, what direction will the car go? It'll go this way, right. One of three things will happen, okay? Either the car will go this way and it'll be a success. Two, the green cap will blow off spectacularly, making a loud noise. You saw that yesterday.
Yes.
Or, hopefully it doesn't happen, or it'll just burn inside and go, and nothing will happen. We'll find out. Okay, so what I want you to do is, if you would go outside the classroom and stand by the bathroom.
I'm too short for that.
All right, 9, you're going to give me a countdown of 3, 2,
1,
1.
3, 2, 1, 2, 1.